Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make crispy anchovy 65 recipe. Just snack it. You will really enjoy the taste of the special recipe. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1.5 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon Coriander Powder, half teaspoon Garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon rice flour, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all together nicely.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add 500 grams of cleaned anchovy. Coat them well but very slowly. Keep marinated for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we can fry it. In a pan, take sufficient oil for frying. When the oil is hot, add the marinated pieces to it and fry it. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Flip it only after some times. Otherwise we may lose the coating on it. Now the color has changed to light brown and it has become crispy. Now transfer it into a serving bowl. Crispy anchovy 65 is ready. This unique recipe is so delicious. Just snack it. You will really enjoy the taste of the special recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.